Hello students, in this class we will study some properties of the multiplication. Yes, what is the first property of the multiplication here? The first one, the multiplication by 1. That means the product of a number with 1 is the number itself. If we multiply 1 to any number, we get the product, the same number there. So 50, for example, 56 into 1 is equal to 56. Yes, this is the first property here, the multiplication by 1. The second one property is the multiplication by the 0. It means the product of a number with 0 is a 0. If when we multiply the 0 to any number, we get the 0 as a product. So for example, the 257 into 0 is equal to 0 then. The product is 0. The third one property is, that is the order property. That means the two numbers can be multiplied in any order, the product remains the same. So if when we multiply the two numbers in any order, the product remains the same. For example, the 47 into 2 is equal to the 2 into 47. The two numbers are changes here. The 47 into 2 is equal to the 2 into 47. So what is the product? That means the 2 sevens are 40. So 1 carry over. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. The product is 94. The product of the 47 into 2 is the 94. So next, write the is equal to the 2 into 47, that is the, so 9. So that is also 97 then. So there is no changes in the products. That means the two numbers can be multiplied in any order, the product remains same. This is the order property. So one more property there, that is the grouping property. The property that is the grouping property. So the product of 3 or more numbers remains the same even if we change the grouping numbers. So for example, 125 into 20 into 25 is equal to 125 into the 20 into 25. There are the two groups there. So what is the property? The product of 3 or more numbers remains the same even if we change the grouping numbers there. So let's do the example here. Is after the derivation, we get the clearance of the grouping property. Is 125, the 20, this is the one group. After multiplication we get, that is the 2500 here. Write the second number as it is, that is 25. Write the first number 125 as it is into the 20 into 25. That means that is 500. The 2500 into 25. The product is 62,500 is equal to 125 into 500. The product is also 62,500. Yes. So in this example, we apply the grouping property here. We clear what is the grouping property. For this knowledge or for applying these property for the next exercise 4.2. Yes, there are the 4 properties here. The first one is the multiplication by 1. The second one is the multiplication by 0. And third one is order property. And the fourth one is, that is grouping property. Okay, there are the 4 properties in the multiplication. Yes, okay. Let us start the exercise 4.2. We discuss some properties of multiplication. Just I want to recall that one. The order property, grouping property, order property, grouping properties, multiplication by 1, multiplication by 0. With this knowledge, we have to derive the exercise 4.2. Let us start. Read the main question. Use the properties of multiplication to fill in the blanks. The first one, 654 into 1 is equal to. Yes, apply the property multiplication by 1. The product of a number with 1 is the number itself. It means the 654 into 1 is equal to 654. Next question, dash into 1 is equal to 3455. Apply the multiplication by 1. The product of a number with 1 is the number itself. Yes, what is the answer for the second one? That is 3455. Next, the third one question, 8546 into 0. The multiplication by 0. The product of number with 0 is 0. It means the 8546 into 0 is equal to 0 there. As same as the fourth one there. 8689 into dash is equal to 0. It means 8689 into 0 is equal to 0. Fifth one, 679 into 35 is equal to 35 into dash. That is the order property. Two numbers can be multiplied in any order. The product remains the same. That means the 679 into 35 is equal to 35 into 679. As same as the sixth one. Sixth one also, 695 into dash is equal to 600 into 695. So which number we have to write in the given blank? That is 600. Yes, remember the order property there. Next, seventh one question, 458 into round bracket 165 into 35, the round bracket completed, is equal to, in the round bracket, the 456 into 34, the round bracket is completed, into dash. It means 458 into 165 into 34 is equal to 458 into 34 into dash. Yes, remember the grouping property there. Yes, what is the grouping property? The product of the three or more numbers remains the same even if we change the grouping numbers there. Yes, it means write the 165 there. Yes, what is the answer? 165. 458 after is equal to the 458 there into 34 there. Which one is the remaining? 165. Okay, write the 165 in the given blank. Eighth one, 996 into 430 into dash is equal to 996 into 430 into 712. The which one is the remaining? The 996 there. 430 in both sides. So we have to write the remaining number, that is 712. So write that is 712 and remember the grouping property there. Okay, this is the exercise 4.2 completed.